Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your desktop actually has a Wi-Fi adapter and current drivers. Otherwise, sharing won't work. Once done, open Settings and go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot or Hotspot and Tethering. You select the source connection to share, Ethernet or existing Wi-Fi, and set a network name and a strong password so devices can connect securely. Make sure you pick WPA2 or WPA3 when available. This prevents open access and keeps traffic private. Now you configure the sharing details to control performance and access. First, choose the exact connection to share. Ethernet gives best stability. Sharing a VPN can break routing, so test it. Then limit bandwidth or set a device allowance to prevent congestion, and decide if the SSID should be hidden for privacy. Once done, check IP settings and enable IP4 or IP6 as required. Reserving static IPs for printers or servers makes them reliably reachable on the hotspot. Turn the hotspot on and immediately connect a phone or laptop to verify connectivity. You want to confirm both association and internet access. Once a device joins, view the connected devices list and check signal strength and speed with a simple web test so you know performance is acceptable. If something fails, restart the Wi-Fi adapter or the desktop, reapply the network drivers, and temporarily disable any VPNs. Those often block shared routing. If problems persist, toggle SSID visibility and repeat the connection test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.